What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 tips and tricks that you probably don't know about on the new G3. Stay tuned. First trick I'm going to go ahead and show you is system gestures. Now this is going to be in your settings. Go into settings and scroll all the way down till it says system gesture, then click on system gesture. At this point we have 5 different system gestures. We have slide to capture screenshot, slide to launch camera, slide to adjust volume, a double tap to lock, and press to launch camera. So these are some very nice handy gestures to go ahead and do certain things. So if we swipe 3 fingers downward together, we will capture a screenshot. So let's go ahead and show you right here. Boom, we do get a screenshot. You can go ahead and crop, draw, and cut. Next one we have right here is slide to launch camera. Swipe 3 fingers up together to launch the camera. So all we have to do swipe 3 fingers up and boom, we have the camera. Next one is slide to adjust volume. Now this is something that I really like, especially when I'm in applications such as YouTube or Netflix. I don't want to go ahead and go to the side of phone and just turn it up and down. I can go right here, boom, and you can go ahead and use 2 fingers to turn up the volume or turn down the volume. I thought that was a very useful gesture. Next one is very nice for sleight of hand. If you want to go ahead and turn off your phone real quick, say you're at work or you're in class or you're in a meeting, you don't want people to know that you're on your phone, all you have to do is turn this on, double tap the home key to lock at the interface, so 1, 2, and boom, the phone is off. The last gesture right here is press to launch camera. I call this a world star mode. All you have to do is go to the side of the phone and 1, 2, boom, hit the power button twice and you do launch the camera. So that's a very fast way to get out your phone. It can be off, boom, and then your camera shows up like that. So if you ever need to record something really quickly, then you guys can go ahead and use that. My second tip is just some advice. If you guys want to go ahead and use the face unlock, that is all good and dandy or whatever, but you can't have a fingerprint sensor on and the face unlock on at the same time. You're going to have one or the other. So say you have a fingerprint right here. Your fingerprint is not going to register anymore if you have your face unlock on, so you're gonna have to go ahead and take face unlock off if you would like to use the fingerprint sensor. Next one that I found that was really handy for people that do not want to waste data is if you go to the drop down bar menu right here, you can go ahead and go to the side and we can click on edit, and there is a thing called data saver right here. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on our drop down menu. So if you go right here and scroll to the side, if we click on data saver, you can go ahead and turn that on and it will limit data in the background, so it won't be using data that you don't want it to use, and you will be saving as much data as possible. This is definitely handy if you do not have an unlimited plan and you are on a network that's very expensive, so I feel like this is a very good tip. Next one is probably one of my favorites, especially for people that have very small hands and they can't, hold a 6-inch phone or a 5.7-inch phone. What you can go ahead and do is actually scroll up to one-handed mode. You can go ahead and turn that on. Now all you have to do is read the guide. It says slide right into the one-handed mode from the bottom of the screen and slide back to full screen again. So if you are having trouble typing with one hand or you want to use it in one-hand mode, all you have to do is go all the way to the bottom, slide from the bottom right corner, and we will have one hand mode. Now we have the phone, we have a tiny little screen right here, but if you want to get out of this, all you have to do is slide from the bottom right of the screen and you should get out of this pretty easily. Last and final one for me definitely has to be fingerprint functions. If you want to go ahead and use your fingerprint for many different functions, all you have to do is go into settings, click on fingerprint, and if you look down here on touch and hold, we can do many different things. Back to home screen, touch and hold the fingerprint sensor to go back to the home screen. So all we have to do is touch and hold the fingerprint sensor and we are back to the home screen. We also have recent tasks where you go ahead and touch and hold the fingerprint sensor to recent tasks. So 1, 2, 3. Holding, and we can go to recents right there, which is really nice. And the last and final one is take a photo/video. Touch and hold the fingerprint sensor as a shutter to make a photo/video in camera mode. So all you have to do is turn on take a photo/video, go into photo mode, and you can hold the fingerprint sensor and take a photo. So I thought that was really dope. If I missed some tips and tricks, please put them in the comments down below. I would very much appreciate that. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing if you're not a part of the tech gang already. Hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are. This has been TechRight. Peace out, guys.